Hey everybody, it's Jody here from the clinic, and I would like to invite you to an event in March that is very near and dear to my heart and the clinic's heart. You see, back in 2014, my mother passed away from lymphoma, and it was really, really hard. But luckily, I've got an amazing group of friends who gathered around me and said, you know what, let's do something with these emotions. Let's put our feelings into action. And so we created, about 7 years ago, an event called Kicking Cancer in the Butt. And all of my incredibly talented Disney friends gathered together to volunteer their time to put on this show. And we raised over $3,000 our first year for Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. And so we decided to do it every year since. And here we are in 2022 doing it again. Here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, all of the staff are going to be there. The clinic is a sponsor. And Patrick Dermody, you all know Patrick, him and I actually run a marathon to support the organization, and that's what this fundraiser is for. It's to raise money for us to go run that marathon. So I would love it if you could consider going to our page, www.teammarlene.com. That's TEAMMARLENE.com, and check out the event. On the website, you'll see all about my mom and what an amazing special person she was, and information about the event, which is on Sunday, March 13th at 4 p.m. at Theater South Playhouse right here in Dr. Phillips. It's literally across the street from the office. Tickets are only $20. Everybody involved in the event is donating their time, so every dollar we raise goes to the organization. We are going to have improv comedy. We're going to have singing. We're going to have performing. It's going to be an amazing special night, and you'll also be able to buy some adult beverages to make the night even more fun. So teammarlene.com, Kicking Cancer in the Butt, $20 a ticket. Please consider. I hope to see you there.